This video features a visit to the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. You can sit in a new Corvette. You can take a virtual test drive, and you can see the results of the dramatic cave-in from the Sinkhole of 2014. More on that later. Visitors can see the evolution of the Corvette from its origin in 1953 until today. One exhibit explains why General Motors wanted to design a new American sports car and how they got the name for it. Most of the cars exhibited have a unique automotive history that makes them one of a kind. And many are on loan from private individuals. Some are concept cars that were never produced. This is called the nostalgia area. You may see work being done on museum-owned vehicles in this area. If you purchase a new Corvette, you can pick it up here. In February 2014, a sinkhole opened up underneath the Sky Dome floor. Fortunately, no one was in the building. The dramatic moment was captured by the security cameras. 8 cars fell into the cave below. This exhibit gives information about each one. The cars were all recovered, but sadly, some were not restorable. But the unrestored cars were placed back on display, and this is what they look like now. These lines on the floor show the outline of the cave and the sinkhole. When the sinkhole was repaired, they left an access hole for you to see down into the cave. For anyone interested in this iconic American sports car, a visit to this museum is worthwhile. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, why not subscribe?